everyone, welcome to Tinkle. Did you know there is more than one way to connect two bulbs, or a bulb and a fan, or a fan and a buzzer, or a buzzer and an LED and other things. In this video, let us take a look at those two ways in which we can connect different electrical appliances. And to do this activity, we will need these materials: two lollipop blocks, the bike pop block, the stand bits, the focus bits, and the box containing bulbs and LEDs, and the 3-volt power source. So let's get started. The first method of connecting the bulbs is called series. Right? For that, from this box which contains the LEDs and bulbs, you can take two common bulbs and we will fix them in these focus bits. Just that the bulb appears a little bit out. Let's fix the other one also. Now these focus bits will go in a stand. For that, I'll get the bike pop, fix the folder bits, and then each of them I'll put the lollipop block. And fix the focus bit with bulb in them. Now let's see the connections. So before we start the connections, observe that both bulbs have two wires with them. Right. For a series connection, we will be connecting one wire of each bulb with each other. Right. For example, here I am taking these two wires and connecting them. Just keep the wires near and twist them. And the other two ends of the bulbs we will connect to the each wire of the power source. So I have this 3-volt power source here, and this has two wires to it, a red one and a black one. And to the free end of the first bulb, I'll fix the red crocodile clip, and the free end of the second bulb, I'll connect the black clip. Now let us switch on the power source and observe the lights. So let's switch on the power source and you guys observe the bulbs. Can you see how bright the bulbs are glowing? Remember this. Now let's go to the parallel connection and we'll compare the brightness of the bulbs in series and parallel connection. Now for a parallel connection, the first step is same, that is, we will connect the two ends of both of the bulbs. Right. Now instead of connecting the other free ends to each wire of the power source, we will connect them also together. Now once we connect the other ends also, to these 2 points we will connect the power source. So to these two wires I am connecting the red alligator clip, and to the other two wires I am connecting the black one. Now let's again switch on the power source and observe the brightness or the intensity of the bulbs. Let's switch on the power source. Keep an eye on the brightness. Did you observe the change from before? You can go back in the video and check the brightness again. So as you can see here, in parallel connection, the bulbs are glowing brighter, right? The difference here is this. In series connection, the voltage is divided across both the bulbs. But in parallel connection, the voltage across both the bulbs remains same and the current is divided. That is why there is change in the brightness of the bulbs. Now let's connect this bulb and LED in series and parallel. Right. So let's start with series connection. I'll connect these two ends and the other ends to the power source. So this goes the series connection. So let's switch on the power source. So do you see the change here than previous? Here the LED is glowing, but the bulb is not having any brightness at all in the series connection. Let me give you a clue why this is happening. In series connection, the voltage is divided. Now we can explore further and try to get the bulb also glowing. Let's see the parallel connection now. So now for the parallel connection of the light and LED, I have connected these two here and these two like that, and now we have to connect the power source. So to this I'll connect the power source like this and to the other end. Let's switch on the power source. Now remember, we have parallel connection here. So as you can see, both bulb and LED are glowing because here the voltage is not divided but the current is being divided. Similarly, you can connect the buzzer, the fan, and with bulbs and LEDs, and you can explore further. Here I have connected the fan and the buzzer in series connection using a 9-volt power source. Now let's switch this on and see what happens. Did you hear that? How loud the buzzer was ringing and the fan was not moving at all. Now let's change a bit, connect these two in parallel connection and observe the change. Now I have connected the fan and the buzzer in parallel connection using the 9-volt power source. Now when I switch on the power source, observe the fan and also listen to the sound of the buzzer. Did you hear that? Now compare this sound with the sound of the buzzer in series connection. Where do you think was more? The clue to the answer is the distribution of voltage and electricity in series and parallel connections. Now in our homes also we have many electrical appliances, right? Like the tube light, the fan, AC, and all these things we have connected. Which connection do you think happens there? Series or parallel? Think about it.